Welcome to the ultimate guide to the keto diet, from basics to recipes. In this video, we will explore everything you need to know about the keto diet and even share some delicious recipes. Are you ready? Let's dive in. First, let's understand the basics. The keto diet focuses on low-carb, high-fat foods, which forces the body to enter a state of ketosis. This metabolic process turns fat into ketones, providing energy instead of relying on glucose. Why choose the keto diet? Well, it offers a wide range of benefits. It can increase mental clarity, and even boost your energy levels throughout the day. Now, let's talk about what foods you can enjoy on the keto diet. Think healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and low-carb vegetables. Are you wondering about the delicious meals you can enjoy on the keto diet? We have you covered. Try our mouth-watering recipes like keto bacon and egg cups, avocado chicken salad, and even a creamy keto cheesecake. Your taste buds will thank you. Remember, consistency is key when following the keto diet. Make sure to stay hydrated, keep track of your carb intake, and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet. Thanks for watching the ultimate guide to the keto diet, from basics to recipes. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.